the Wissahickon, trying to find a nice little smallmouth or two. Got a little green pumpkin tube tied on, Texas rigged. Small little split shot type deal going on there. 6-pound fluorocarbon on a medium heavy power rod, or medium power rod, excuse me. See the bite? First fish of the day. Hooked a little funny, but right through the gill. Sorry, dude. Be delicate taking your hooks out. Save a fish's life. Nice little smallie. Well, not a nice one, but little smallmouth from the Wissahickon. Tube worked. Show you how I got this set up here. Got this little type of it's almost like a bullet weight, but it's a pinch bullet weight, so you don't have to put it on before you tie on your hook. A little 3/0. I believe this is a little Z-Man tube. It's a little big for this, but I'm just hooking it right in the back here. A little bit of that action. That's what's up. Oh, got a sunfish. Oh, there he goes. Moved upstream a little bit. Oh, there's one. Oh, wrong species. It's another red breast sunfish. Yeah, man. Get this all messed up. That'd be something nice over there. Got it. Yeah, it's a nice, pretty nice smallie. Whew. Whoa, man, almost lost him. Not a bad little smallmouth from the Wissahickon. Got this little smallmouth on this little green pumpkin tube, Z-Man tube. Oh well. Or not oh well, but knew there was going to be a decent one back there. Not the best, but I love smallmouth. So aggressive. Alright, here we go. This is going to be a fish. Let him take it. Oh, largemouth this time. That's cool. That's cool. Not a bad little largemouth either. For the Wissahickon at least. Dude, happy 4th of July. Smoking some fish out here with this tube. A little largemouth or a little bass. This time a largemouth. The Wissahickon. Keep nailing them on this tube. Oh, he's taking off that way. He's gonna go to a new part of the creek. Oh man, I got one. Ha. Oh damn, is he wrapped up? Oh it's a rock bass in a giant tree. That's pretty cool. Never caught a rock bass from this part of the Wissahickon. Little rock bass, real pretty one. Wissahickon, still on the same tube. That's cool, man. Snap bangs, wolf pack. Now what I do here.
Guess you have to cut that out.
All this stuff sucks. Unboxing. We got the spark plug fountain. Oh shit, it fell apart. That one. We got the cuckoo clock joint. Light that mother and run. Don't forget, everybody, all this cardboard is recyclable. Fireworks are not. Got the butterfly joint to prep these fireworks. Bang. Got the freedom joint. Merry Christmas.
Night justice.
I keep busting these fireworks. Goes in the trash. Trash.
Crackling strobe effect. They looking platinum.
Crackling laser flash. Break these like this. That's how it's done. It's like the one that I didn't ruin. Woo! That's crap. Spice it up a little bit. There's another fountain going in there. Oh, it's sideways. Oh, this is a big joint. This is a big joint. Oh,
Wait, that's the night justice. Night justice separately.
dude.
Alright. Oh.
What do we got here? Well, that was nice. Here's the night justice.
Perfect.
Oh wow, it's pretty cool. Justice has been served.